To change your region in your account, you'll need to access the application, which can be done through your App Store or the web. Simply search for the app in your store, download and install it, or visit the website by typing in the URL. Once you have access to the application, you can create an account and gain access to its features after validation and verification. To change your region, note that the application may restrict region changes due to product availability and shipping logistics. It's best to contact customer service for guidance on the possibilities and limitations of changing your region. If you want to change your region, you can do so by altering your shipping details. This can be done by clicking on the Change Country or Region option, which will display a drop-down list of various countries. Select the country you wish to change your shipping to, and the application will update accordingly. Keep in mind that changing your region may affect item availability, shipping fees, and taxes. These changes will also be reflected in your shopping cart, as item availability varies by location.